Hi everyone, our 10th grade scholars is all set here to learn math, and that's too through a carnival. What is carnival without fun? So in YS Public School, learning is fun and exciting. So we are going to step outside our textbook to witness math in motion, to prove that randomness is not luck but logic waiting to be discovered. So we are here at the Probability Carnival to know more about and learn math. So we can ask our students to learn more about it. We are here for the Probability Carnival. Let's ask from students. So, hi Jaskaran.
Hello ma'am.
Okay, what are you doing? What is the activity exactly?
Ma'am, we are doing card draw challenge and
Yes.
we are finding the probability of number of cards we are getting. We are choosing cards from the deck and we write down a number of cards we get each time.
Okay, thank you. So, are you enjoying the carnival?
Yes, ma'am.
So, could you please explain the activity?
Yes, we are playing Lucky Number Challenge and we are enjoying and learning probability in a fun way.
Okay, so basically you're enjoying it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hi Kirit.
Hello ma'am.
And I saw that you have a spinning wheel and all. What are you doing? What is the activity?
We are here playing an activity of Probability Carnival, which is spin and record challenge. Here we spin the wheel and the number we get, we put the tally marks over there in the page.
So this is how we learn in YS Public School. Not just through concepts but through experiences. Thank you.